Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Lade, and today I'm going to be showing you how I slick down all of this hair. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. So I am starting off with hydrating my hair. Inside my spray bottle I have my leave-in conditioner, some water and some oil. So I basically use this to keep my hair hydrated and moisturized. I spray it all over my hair. It also helps the combing process of my hair, because without this, combing will just be a mess. So this really helps to soften my hair up, helps to detangle. And so I just go in with my wide tooth comb and just comb through the hair. I just took out the cornrows on my hair. My hair was previously in cornrows, and so I just took it out, and as you can see, my hair has shrunk so well. But we're gonna work with this. Okay, so I'm doing a side part, and this is the side of my head that I prefer to have my side parts. So yeah, I'm just creating the part nicely, and then I'm just going to take out the front section and pat it out of the way so that we can work with the rest of the hair first before coming to the parted section. This just helps your hair lay as flat as possible. So yeah, the sectioning of this part doesn't have to be as neat. You only need the side part to be neat, but the back and the side of the other side of the hair doesn't have to actually be neat. So I'm applying more of my mixture so that I can comb through my hair, and I'm going to be packing this rest of the hair down. Yeah, combing natural hair is very tiring. Look at all my muscles popping out. Lord help me. Okay, I'm going to go in with my brush. This also helps my hair lay flat. So going in with this brush really helps a lot. So after my wide tooth comb, I'm going with this brush, and then the Holy Grail product, and the only other thing we're going to be using is my HAIRSTYLE gel. I use the olive oil HAIRSTYLE gel, and I just apply it on the top part of my hair. You don't need too much of the gel, you just really need a little. It will go a very long way, because you're going to comb through the hair with the gel and make sure it spreads nicely to all the area that needs it. So I'm going in back with my brush and brushing the gel on my hair so that it sinks in. And yes, this is the third brush. I know, so many brushes and combs but this is what we need to do to get that hair laying nicely flat. Can you see how my hair is already sleeping nicely? Like, it is already laying itself. This last brush actually does the magic. Without this, honey, there's no way this hair is laying flat. This brush does the magic. Okay, so I basically just brush it all the way, and then please don't use a rubber band like me, because it will break your hair in the long run. Use other hair packers, just not a rubber band. something with a nicer material. But yeah, this is what I had. So I had my rubber band, and as you can see, the back part of the hair is laid. So I'm just going to brush the ends of my hair and put them in twists. You want to save those ends. Okay, so I'm dividing it into two, and also brushing it out like this after you've packed your hair even helps the hair lay flatter, because if your packing wasn't so tight, this helps to tighten it up. So I'm just twisting the ends nicely. Okay, so this is what the back looks like, and now we're moving to the front. I'm applying my mixture once again so that the front parts can easily work with me, and just combing through, going with the second brush, and then I'm going to section this part into two parts again. We need this hairline as flat as possible. If I had blow dried my hair or straightened my hair before this styling, then all of this wouldn't have been necessary. Like, your hair literally lays flatter, faster and easier when it is straightened or when it has been blow dried, and especially if it's clean hair. But my hair has been in cornrows, it's dirty, and yeah, it's not straightened, so we have to go through all of this process, but it's definitely doable. As you can see, I've laid the first half down, and now to the topmost layer, I'm applying my gel, my HAIRSTYLE gel, and I'm going to apply a little more on this top part so that it lays nicely. The hair has shrunk, as you can see, it's getting shorter by each brush, but this brush is going to do the magic. It's really going to let it slip down. Okay, so you're going to secure your hair with another rubber band. Once you've brushed it nicely, secure it with a second rubber band. And you can apply some extra gel if you feel you still need to. If there are any areas that are flying out, apply some gel. And please, you can also apply or use bobby pins to hold the ends of the hair, like towards the parts that is packed, especially if your hair is not long enough. That would really help. So as you can see, this hair is already flat and laying nicely. So now I'm just going to do a little baby hair. I don't really like to do too much for my baby hair, so I really just do the barest minimum, and that is very fine with me. As you can see, my front hair is scanty. But yeah, we're gonna work with it. Okay, you can see I don't do too much with my baby hairs, really. I just do a few swoops here and there, and I am fine. And I'm just applying some extra gel to any part that I feel still needs it. Okay, this is what we have. Hair laid nicely flat, and the rest of the hair that is packed, you can also twist that little part there. I twisted it later on, but I just forgot to do that on camera. So now I'm just going to tie my hair down A lot of people use silk scarves, but every time I tie my hair with a silk scarf, it slips off. So I just use this bandana and it really does the job. The longer you tie your hair down, the flatter it stays. Okay, I only tied my hair for a short period of time. Please don't do this. If you can even tie it overnight till the next morning, honey, trust me, your hair is going to be flat. So yeah, now I'm applying my box braid ponytail to the ends of my hair. This is the final part of this look. I'm just turning it around and then using the rope to secure it nicely. And after this, I'm going to take some strands of the hair and just wrap it around so everything looks sleek and nice. And yeah, use a bobby pin to secure the braids that I wrapped round. And we're done, honey. Look at me looking fly, looking good, looking sweet, such an angel. Wow. Oh my god, like this is actually such a cute style, and it's something you can do in 10 minutes and you're done. Seriously. Allow me to feel myself just a little bit, okay? Yes, girl. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have extra bobby pins, I advise that you put them around the body of the hair, especially if your hair is not long enough, so that everything really stays down. And also tie your hair down for a longer time. I only tied mine for 1 minute, but I definitely recommend that you tie it for at least 10 minutes. That way the hair is like properly laid down. English is hard. Okay, if you're wondering about my ponytail, my box braid ponytail, I have a tutorial on my channel, and I will put the link in the description below. I'll put the link in the description box below. I have a tutorial that shows you exactly how I made this box braid ponytail, and it has been helping my life a lot. Okay, this is the end of this video. Do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, guys, please. Like, I'm struggling out here. Okay, subscribe. Thank you very much. Share this video on all your social media channels. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.